If you're planning a trip and want to ensure your Bank of America card works smoothly while you're away, setting up a travel notice is a smart move. Well, here's how to activate it using the Bank of America mobile app. First, open the Bank of America app on your smartphone and log in with your username and password. Once you're in, tap on the More icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Help and Support. In the Help and Support section, look for and tap on Set Travel Notice. This will take you to the Travel Notice Setup page. Here you will need to enter your travel details, including the dates of your trip and the destinations you'll be visiting. After entering your travel information, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, tap Submit to activate your travel notice. It's important to know that Bank of America allows you to set a travel notice up to 60 days before your departure, and the notice can last for up to 90 days from the first day of your trip. Additionally, you can only have one active travel notice at a time. Setting up a travel notice helps prevent your card from being flagged for unusual activity while you're traveling, ensuring uninterrupted access to your funds. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, if you do have any questions, just drop them down below and I'll come back with an answer.